If you're considering using inDinero for your business accounting, here are 12 things you need to know before buying. While it offers solid features, it's important to compare it with other options to make sure you're making the best choice. First, inDinero is well known for its simplicity, which makes it a great option for small to medium-sized businesses. However, when compared to competitors like QuickBooks or Xero, it doesn't offer quite as much flexibility in customizing reports or workflows. So if you have a complex accounting setup, you might find these other tools to be more versatile. Next thing, inDinero's pricing is based on a subscription model with packages that scale with your business size. This can be cost-effective for startups, but might become pricey as you grow, especially if you need additional services like tax filing or bookkeeping. Keep that in mind when budgeting, because competitors like FreshBooks offer more affordable alternatives for small businesses. The third thing is customer support. inDinero offers strong support via email, phone, and live chat, which is great, but some users report that response times can be slow during peak hours. With competitors like QuickBooks, you get 24/7 support, so if having immediate help is a priority for your business, this might be a downside. Moving on, inDinero integrates well with other tools like Stripe, PayPal, and QuickBooks. While these integrations cover most of the essentials, other options like Xero or QuickBooks might have more third-party integrations available, making them better choices if you use a wider range of tools in your business operations. The fifth thing is the tax features. inDinero offers solid tax calculations and filing assistance, but you might find the tax management features in QuickBooks or TaxSlayer more comprehensive, especially if you need more advanced tax planning and reporting. If taxes are complicated for your business, this could be a deal breaker. Next thing to consider is automation. inDinero has automation tools for invoicing and expense tracking, but it doesn't fully automate the tax filing process. Other software like FreshBooks or QuickBooks can automate a larger portion of your workflow, saving you more time on tedious tasks. The seventh thing is ease of use. One of inDinero's biggest advantages is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're not an accounting expert, you can quickly grasp the basics. However, if you're looking for a more comprehensive accounting tool with robust features, you might prefer QuickBooks or Xero, which are a bit more feature-rich. The eighth thing is scalability. inDinero is designed with small to medium-sized businesses in mind, so it can struggle to keep up with larger enterprises or businesses that require more advanced functionality. In comparison, QuickBooks and Xero offer better scalability for growing companies. Next, inDinero offers financial reporting, but its reporting features aren't as customizable or as advanced as those of competitors like Xero, which lets you dig deeper into your financials with more detailed reports. If you need specific data for decision making, you might find this limitation frustrating. The 10th thing is the user interface. While it's easy to navigate, some users find it a bit basic compared to the sleek, more modern interfaces offered by other options like QuickBooks. If aesthetics matter to you, this could be a factor to consider. The 11th thing is the mobile app. inDinero's app is functional for basic tasks, but it lacks the full range of features available on the desktop version. Competitors like QuickBooks and Xero offer mobile apps that are more robust, with more comprehensive tools available on the go. The 12th and final thing is security. inDinero uses industry-standard encryption and two-factor authentication to protect your data. While this is solid, other services like Xero also offer added layers of protection, such as multiple user permissions, which might be important if you have a larger team handling sensitive financial data. In conclusion, inDinero is a solid option for small businesses, especially if you're looking for simplicity and ease of use. However, if you're looking for more advanced features or a better overall solution, we recommend checking out our suggested alternative, which you can try for free.